Good morning, students. Welcome to our third standard GK class. Today we are talking about great Indian rulers. Okay, G-R-E-A-T, great. I-N-D-I-A-N, Indian. R-U-L-E-R-S, rulers. Great Indian rulers. Okay, there have been many great rulers in Indian history. They are known for the things they did or built for the people. Okay, there have been many great rulers in Indian history. They are known for the things they did or built for the people. Match the rulers with the descriptions. Okay, we are now match. Okay, this rulers. First one you see, who is this? Akbar. Okay, A-K-B-A-R, Akbar. Okay, how to match? First one, you see this place. Akbar ruled over a great empire from the Red Fort. Okay, Akbar named Jalaluddin Muhammad Akbar. Okay, he was born in 15th October 1542 and died in 27th October 1605. Okay, next, popularly known as Akbar the Great and also the third Muhammad Emperor. Okay, he was died 27th October Fatpur Sikri. Okay, that place he was died. Okay, second one you see, his name is Sher Shah Suri. S-H-E-R Shah, S-H-A-H Shah, S-U-R-I Suri. Sher Shah Suri. Okay, second one where you see, build the Grand Trunk Road. அங்கே என்ன பண்ணியிருக்காங்க? ட்ரங்க் ரோடு, அதாவது தண்டு ரோடுன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. ஓகே, அது வந்து கட்டியிருக்காங்க. ட்ரங்க் மீன்ஸ் தண்டு. ஷேர்ஷா ஸ்ரீ போன் Farid Khan. Okay, Sher Suri born Farid Khan was the founder of the Suri Empire in India, with its capital in modern day Bihar. He introduced the currency of rupee. Okay, he introduced the currency of rupee. After his accident death in 1545. Okay, next. Third one, she is Rani Lakshmi Bai. R-A-N-I, Rani, L-A-K-S-H-M-I-B-A-I, Rani Lakshmi Bai. Okay, third one, where place? You see this place, Queen of Jhansi, who fought bravely against the British. Okay, she was born in 19th November 1828 in Varanasi. Died in 18th June 1858, Gwalior. Okay, Rani Lakshmibai was an Indian queen of the Maratha. Okay, princely state of Jhansi in North India, currency present in Jhansi district in Uttar Pradesh in India. Okay, Rani of Jhansi. She was one of the leading figures of the Indian rebellion. Okay, became a symbol of resistance to the British for Indian nationalists. Okay, she is Rani Lakshmi Bai. Okay, next, fourth one you see, Tipu Sultan. T-I-P-U, Tipu, S-U-L-T-A-N, Sultan, Tipu Sultan. Okay, where place? Tipu Sultan known as the Tiger of Mysore. Okay, Tipu Sultan also born in 20th November 1750 in Devahali. Died in 4th May 1799 Srirangapatna. Okay, Tipu Sultan, you see the picture. Next, Tipu Sultan also known as the Tipu Sahab or the Tiger of Mysore, was the ruler of the kingdom of Mysore based in South India and a panel of rockal artistry. Okay, nickname. Okay, Tipu Sultan nickname one, Tiger of Mysore. Tipu Sahib. Okay. You see next one, Asoka. Okay. Ashoka. Asoka. Where place? Fifth one. Okay. A great king who gave up war after the battle of Kalinga. Okay, Kalinga war. Okay. Asoka was also known as the Asoka the Great, was an Indian emperor of the Indian emperor of the who ruled almost all of the Indian subcontinent. Asoka promoted the spread of Buddhism. Okay, Buddhism across ancient Asia. Next, sixth one, Jahangir. 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 Where place? Sixth one, you see. He was the eldest son of Akbar. Okay. You see Akbar picture. His son, eldest son of Akbar. Okay. Jahangir. Jahangir Muhammad Salim, known by his imperial name Jahangir, was the fourth Muhammad emperor who ruled from 1605 until his death in 1627. His imperial name means conqueror of the world. World conqueror. Okay, conqueror means victory or world sizer. Okay, he was born in 31st August 1569, Fatpur Sikri. Died in 28 October 1627 in Rajouri. Okay, Jahangir. Who is? He was the eldest son of Akbar. Next downside you see, do you know a ruler named? Okay, a ruler named Samudragupta is known as Napoleon of India because of his violence and conquest. Okay, students. One time I recall great Indian rulers. There have been many great rulers in Indian history. They are known for the things they did or built for the people. Okay, this is a magic. Akbar, first one Akbar. Akbar what? Ruled over a great empire from the Red Fort. Sher Shah Suri. Second one, built the Grand Trunk Road. Third one, Rani Lakshmi Bai, Queen of Jhansi, who fought bravely against the British. The fourth one, Tipu Sultan, known as the Tiger of Mysore. And the fifth one, Asoka, a great king who gave up war after the Battle of Kalinga. And the sixth one, Jahangir. Okay, Jahangir, he was the eldest son of Akbar. Okay, students, today homework, this match it. Okay, this ruler's name and match it. Okay, these 6 names. Okay, great Indian ruler's name and match it. 6. Okay, read and write one time. Don't forget. Today homework, this great Indian ruler's name. This page fully read and write one time. Okay, thank you.